Don't try to cross that red line. Muzane kumeneko, kumene mumagambirana chibwana januzo muno mwai. Muzane and try it. Try it. Try it.
Honorable member, go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Honorable member, go back to your seats. Order in the house. Order.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker, for allowing the people of Banda City Southeast to make a contribution to the sauna that was made on Friday. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, it makes me laugh to see everyone that side trying to rewrite or correct the sauna. Madam Speaker, when a leader spends over 3 hours trying to explain what he has done to his people, that means that that leader has done nothing at all. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I remember the words of a great man who had nothing much to say, but what he said, let the works of my hands prove for me, speak for me. That was late Bingu Amtarika, may his soul rest in peace. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Section 108 of the Constitution of Malawi mandates public officers, including the President, to uphold the truth and act in good faith. Section 122 of the Penal Code, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, criminalizes the act of providing false information.
Order, honorable members, order.
Oh.
No, he's not reading. He's referring to his notes. No.
Madam Second
That's
Deputy
just
Speaker.
a reference. That's just a reference to his notes. He's referring to his notes, not Weringa, please. Order.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, they are taking my time. I hope you will consider that. Section 122 of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, criminalizes the act of providing false information while under oath. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this carries legal implications, particularly when it misleads the nation. Section 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, UDHR,
Honorable
emphasizes.
member. Honorable member for Banda City South, we have a point of order. Resume your seat. City South.
I'm just quoting you because you see nothing. Honorable
member, what has happened? I gave you the floor.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, is it in order for the member who has just resumed his seat to insinuate that the President or our leader spent 3 hours explaining what he has done for Malawians, and then at the end of his sentence to say that it means he has done nothing? What was he explaining in the 3 hours? Is it in order? Because to me, I feel the whole 3 hours he spent about explaining developments that he has done, including those that has happened in Blantyre South East. He is a beneficiary of those projects. So it surprises me. Is it in order, madam? I need a ruling on that one. The 3 hours was spent on actually articulating issues that have been done in all our constituencies. And Banda Southeast is a witness to that. He is my chair at agriculture. He was one day telling me to say the president has done a lot in my constituency. So I'm surprised that now he has changed the tune.
Honorable member, then you leave me with nothing to respond on, because you are asking if it is indeed in order for him to say those words, and then later you are saying according to me, then you explain. So what should I do?
I'm trying to build a case. I'm trying to build a case against him because he once told me that this president has done a lot in his constituency. Madam Speaker, he should not change tone.
Honorable member, thank you. Resume
my brother. So my brother, you told me. You mentioned preachers.
Honorable member for Blantyre City South, continue.
Thank you very much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I will not bother to respond. Sometimes empty teens, you know what they do, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, Section 19 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, emphasizes the right for citizens to access the truth and transparent information from their government. Furthermore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, when a president is being sworn in, he pledges to uphold the Constitution and lead Malawians faithfully and in just manner. On Friday, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the President presented his SONA in this honorable house. A SONA that is full of lies and not faithful and unjust. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Malawians have lost all the trust they had in our President and the office. This is a serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that the President undertook. We, the people of Blantyre City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the SONA be scrapped off from the Hansard. This is an honorable house. We cannot keep in our Hansard lies that we cannot prove.
Honorable member, this is an honorable house,
yes,
and no one comes here to tell lies.
Yes.
Whether a member of parliament or the president, no. Find another way to substitute it, but no one comes here to tell lies. Thank you.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, much obliged. The SONA was full of...
Member, we have another point of order.
Okay.
Another point of order. Let me check how many minutes. Okay. Leader of the House.
Right Honorable Speaker, I never expected anything less than what he's presenting, but I want us to move procedurally. Our standing orders are very clear. They're cited every time, but people choose to start this every day. And I thank you because you have said it, but when people are doing that and they're continuing, that must not be allowed. I'm not gagging anyone, but I stand here as a leader, and we have to respect the standing orders. Secondly, when the president comes here, talks about development, if you have an issue, just talk about that issue. Because as I stand here, he's one of the members of parliament that has spent 245 million kwacha from this government to develop his constituency. 245 million kwacha from this government. Now when he comes here and say the president has done nothing, he's lying, yet he has filled forms and has gotten 245 million kwacha up to now. Now this issue of standing here and trying to like Malawians will not be accepted. And some of you, because at the end of the day, these things will follow you up. And I want to agree with my brother there. There must be audits. Because if indeed, Second Deputy Speaker, if indeed there's nothing that has happened, he must stand here and say, the local government minister is lying as well, as he says. He has spent 245 million kwacha in his constituency, including renovating toilets in his constituency. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to ask the honorable leader. Honorable leader, if you want to clarify a point, I think it's better to come after. But then it was so many minutes. A point of order, we know it's only 1 minute. I can give you 2 minutes, but it was just too much. Anyway, honorable members, Honorable members, even me, I cannot say that the president has done nothing. No, we can't say the president has done nothing. It is possible, no, it is possible that he has not done enough, but not nothing. Thank you. Banda, City South, continue.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker. Madam, as I did with the first point of order, Madam, I will not comment on this one as well. Let Malawians be the judges. But as I was saying, Madam Second Deputy Speaker,
what is your problem, Honorable? What is it? What is it? So you are unable to use the gadgets. Honorable member, I cannot give you a point of order. No, we gave him 2 points of orders, so we cannot continue. If you want, you will come after him. No. I can't even hear what you are saying. You better just resume your seat, Honorable. Honorable member, that will not be possible. Order in the house.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, can I proceed? Okay,
honorable members, order. Banda, City South, please proceed.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as I was saying, that the SONA was full of untrue and was not faithful and unjust to Malawians. Therefore, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, we have lost all the trust that we had in the President and his office, and he has committed a very serious breach of the Constitution and the oath that he swore to protect. We, the people of Banda City Southeast, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, are demanding that the SONA be scrapped off from the Hansard and that the President should tender his resignation immediately. Failing which, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, this House should move to impeach the President who came to give this House untrue stories. This is a very honorable House. Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I submit.
Honorable members. Honorable member for Salima, I don't know the constituency. Honorable member, this is your 60th year in this House. At least you should know that a person cannot be stopped thrice. Twice is enough, not thrice. So don't stand here and shout for a point of order. After all, you have to use the gadgets. No, your threats will not hold water, Honorable. Honorable Leader.
Right, Honorable Second Deputy Speaker. I know about the right to speak in Parliament, but when we cross a red line of this nature, then we turn things worse. So if you want us to cross the red line at that level, we are ready for that game. We are ready for that game, we can cross that line. And I'm speaking as a right. I sat down when I was speaking. I'm not threatening anyone, but don't try to cross that red line. Muzane kumeneko, kumene mumagambirana chibwana januzo muno mwai. Muzane and try it.
Honorable member, go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Honorable member, go back to your seats. In the House, everyone should go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Go back to your seats. Order, go back to your seats. members, may I ask all the honorable members who left their seats? All the honorable members who left their seats? Honorable members who left their seats, I know you. I will act on that. No, because I've been saying go back to your seats and you didn't want to listen. I said go back to your seats and you didn't want to listen. I will act on you. I just want to put down your constituencies. Later on, I'll come with the ruling. Thank you.